We are outside the iVue Robotics workshop. Pranav has joined us again after weeks of leaving us high and dry, specifically dry with how cold and dry this winter has started off. We have Tharun here as well from our famous No More DJI and Rise of Develop Air video, making us YouTube famous, and then Sarvesh, bringing us down, undoing all of Tharun's hard work. We have definitely not the Goon Squad, but Tharun is a big supporter of them, maybe the biggest supporter, here to test out the Develop Air Micro that, again, Pranav has come back and got ready for another flight test, hopefully better than our first two, which you were there for the first one, but not the second, or were you there for both?
I think I was there for the first one.
Okay. Well, let's hope this stays up in the air for more than like the 10 seconds or so. We had a battery problem that I think, Pranav, you worked out. I think one of the other issues which may not be worked out is the pitch direction might be reversed. So we'll all want to use Pranav as the human meat shield. Once we take off, yeah, I guess everyone behind Pranav. So, or do you want me to do the honors?
Anything's fine.
All right. So let me check what telemetry data we're getting. We're in stabilized flight mode. We have no GPS. We shouldn't need that for altitude hold mode, but there is a GPS connected, right? I guess it's just not configured, not working. Okay. So I guess everyone use me as the human meat shield. And we probably want to back up a little bit. It's fairly windy. I'm not letting it take off just yet. I'm hoping that the wind will die down a little bit. And all right, let's take it off. All right, look at that.
Battery level 1 alert.
So the pitch direction is fine. Forward is forward, back is back, left is left, right is right. It feels maybe a little bit weaker than I think it should, but maybe not. It's definitely drifting over with the wind. But Pranav, I think you're doing good work here. Definitely a big improvement from the last two. And again, we are in altitude hold mode, so you're not seeing the most stable flight. It's a pretty windy day, if you can't tell, but coming right back down for a landing, giving it a little bit of counter movement. All right, so Develop Air Micro is coming along now that Pranav has come back around. I guess the next step will be getting the GPS up and running so we can have a nice stable flight in loiter flight mode. So I think that's it for this video, unless you guys want to add anything. No, thanks for watching. You'll catch us in the next one. Peace.